world.
Happy day world.
Welcome to the Porina in Croatia.
Welcome to the Porina.
Zdravostvima. Dobrodošli na moj kanal.
Dobrodošli na moj kanal.
Good day everyone.
Good day everyone.
Magandang araw po sa lahat.
Magandang araw po sa lahat.
Ug mag-ayong adlaw Cebu.
Mag-araw po Cebu.
So guys, for today's video, we're gonna go walk. We take a walk.
Mama, Georgie.
Because it's sunny day. So mag-walking kami ni Angela. So naka-ano kami guys, naka-jacket. At ako naman naka-pajama at saka naka-chinila. Si Angela naman, wow, it's good ha. Okay, let's go take a walk. It's sunny. Sunny day. Yes. Wow, come on. Will you be trusty? Oh, ito na ito. Hay, di mo. Dan may daw. Yes. Dito kami guys kasi lapok dyan ang aming driveway. This is our shadow, Angela and Mama. So, tingnan mo guys, nakakagunit si Angela. Di tata, tataradi. Here. Mountain. Ito. Oh, this is so good. Put there na. Binuwas dito. The bridge. Tata here work on the brown. Oof, wait, wait. It's like a Banawi rice terraces over here. Ang ganda guys. We are the top of the world. Wait. No, not pula ko. Yes, no. You take now. No. There's no pauk on it. Okay, let's go. Yes.
Mama, we can swim. Yeah.
Kasi ha? Okay. Sus, gusto na Angela talaga ang flowers. I can buy myself flowers. Okay, there's a purple. Where? Pokashi, mommy. Pokashi.
Purple, your favorite.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
There's no purple.
Okay. But this one, what kind of flowers is that?
There's a lot.
Да, что такое? Pasi na ka out.
Ой, цвете утро, там до цибун цвете.
Ada ko na siya flowers sa ilalim. Andun mo pa. Uwi na kami guys and we got this not common na plants. This is not common. Any day, so mag-hike kami mga less than 30 minutes lang kami. So that's the end of